I went to the bar yesterday. I'm not gonna not take home my unfinished beer. Well, breakfast is done, boys. Let's get on with our day, shall we? Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So I'm stoked to do this video. Once again, we have another mystery unboxing. Now, honestly, I love doing these videos. Some of my favorite videos on YouTube are watching mystery unboxings. It's a surprise, just like going to a strip club. You never know what you're gonna get, and that's sick sometimes. But I want you guys to let me know down below, because it's all about you guys. If you do enjoy mystery box videos, maybe we'll work them into like a weekly or bi-weekly type of thing. We can make it another series. Let me know what you guys think about mystery boxes, because we'll only do them if you guys dig them. You know what I'm saying? Bars. Not really, I guess both ended with the same word, but whatever. So anyway, this video is actually brought to you by Hypebeast.com. Fuck, no, wrong one. Okay, hold on, what are they? Hypeloot.com. Now these guys hit me up. They hit me with a quick email. They're like, name brand, we got a bunch of Hypebeast mystery boxes on our website. We want you to pick one out and show it to your viewers. So I'm like, shit, of course I'm gonna do that. That's free stuff. Awesome. It's a free mystery box, boys. First one I've ever unboxed, actually. So I checked out their website. It was really dope, and I hit them with an email back. Yo, send me that $2,000 Gucci mystery box. I want it now. And then they replied, yo, let's just step back for a second and maybe you could pick one of these ones. So I got a different one, which still equals $1,000. Still dope, but maybe if we get this 2,000 thumbs up, they'll give us the Gucci one later. Hope this is a bad sponsorship so far. Jesus. I want more. No, I'm just kidding. I'm grateful for everything. So anyway, what they're providing us for today is 2 mystery boxes. If you guys don't know what a Hypebeast mystery box is, comes with Supreme, which I love, BAPE, I don't really care about, Off-White and all this other stuff. Hypebeast stuff. It's the stuff that makes us all look stupid. So the first one they sent is called the Supreme Premium Mystery Box, and this one costs $289, but what's inside is worth $420 or up, which is sick. We sell it, we make more money. And then the next one they sent is their multi-diamond premium one or something like that. It's a long name, a little weird. So it has like a bunch of brands in it, not just Supreme. And this one on their website is $419, but it contains like $500 worth of retail stuff, which means once again, hey, we could sell the stuff we don't want and make more money. Why wouldn't we do this? This is great. I'm making money out of nothing right now. And I appreciate you guys for the support. We all win. Also, I'm gonna say right now, I'm gonna give away probably a bunch of pieces that I do unboxing this. So if you want a head start on winning, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So that's it, man. We got 2 boxes today. We're gonna go unbox them real quick. Canadian pricing, that comes out to about $930 plus shipping. We're gonna call it a $1,000 mystery box. Easier. That was Batman. Oh, don't forget Bane. That was dumb. And Joker. Okay, anyway. Alright, let's get into this. Shout out Rose Gold and Black, by the way. We'll talk about that later. They're the sponsors also, which is great. Alright, so we gotta open up the multi-brand one first. It's worth the most money, and also I want to save Supreme for last because I think that's sick. Hands of steel. Shit. Alright, boys. First off, we got a sticker. Supreme sticker. So if you guys don't know Supreme, this is sick. This one goes for about 50 bucks on eBay. That might sound insane to you guys, but I know my Supreme stickers, and they really sell for a lot. There's a lot of collectors, so we got this one. Very, very dope. Next. Oh, shit. I dropped it in my beer. The trick to this is holding it close enough so it doesn't burn, but still dries it. Oh, shit. No, no, no. Bad start. Next. What's this? Oh, sick. It's a belt so I can hang myself. Awesome. I'm just joking. This is dope, actually. As y'all can see, we have an Off-White belt. I've actually always wanted one of these because I'm kind of a hype beast, but not really. Bitch, this is long. Bro, this is meant for Kim Kardashian booty, not mine. I'm gonna still take it, though. It says Off-White right here, and this is great because I actually am missing a belt, as y'all can see. All right, next up in this hype brand mystery box, we got a shirt. Is this Gucci? Damn it! No, it's not. It's Palace. They got the Gucci colors on it, though, and it's like a waffle type feel. You know the waffle shirts? They don't look like a waffle, but they call it that. So we got Palace along here in like the cut and sew style or something. No, it's actually just printed. Still dope. Palace on the front, Palace on the back. You know what? I'll probably give this away to one of you guys. It's a size large. I don't wear white shirts. I spill always. Next up in this package, what do we got? We got a pair of Palace socks. Sick. Don't have those either. We got one hoodie in here. I'll save that for last. Oh, yeah! We got a keychain, too! So this is, I'm assuming, solid gold. I could probably sell this for lots of money. This looks like it's in, like, the Ferrari font, which is really dope. I'll probably put this on my balls later. I'll send that out to one of you guys as well. And last up in this box, we got a hoodie I'm super stoked about because I know my Supreme, and this looks like a Supreme hoodie. Well, what is it, though? Yeah! Wow, I feel like a donkey there. So that's, oh man, this one's sick. So this is the Supreme Arabic hoodie. I really wanted this on the drop day. Yeah, this thing's legit too, bro. I do legit checks too. If y'all need legit checks, hit me up on Instagram. I'm pretty good at that. So this retailed for $158. I'm assuming it probably goes for about $250 on StockX. That's really sick. That's the last thing in the box. And let's get on to the Supreme one. This is what I've been really waiting for. Okay, so here's the Supreme one. Hopefully it can give away some stuff to you guys for sure. First off, what I'm seeing I really like. Now these used to be real popular when we all thought we were real dope in school, and you guys are probably still in school. Back in my day, I thought it was sick with like the chain on my wallet. I ended up getting punched in the dick every day for it. But I think these things are gonna come back. I ain't never seen one of these in person. I think this probably goes for about 20 to 40 bucks. This is a Supreme lanyard right here. As y'all can see, I might even wear that or give it away, I'm not sure. You know what, we could give away this one too. You guys have been so sick to me, plus we're getting sponsored now, which is insane. Yeah, this is a shirt I really wanted. We have a Supreme Public Enemy shirt. If you guys don't know Public Enemy, it's a music group and they're very dope. This is like a collab they did with Undercover. This thing retailed for $54. Honestly, I'd say it probably goes for $100 easily right now. And size large as well, which is good because I'm getting fat. Very dope, man. Very, very sick. You guys let me know what you think about that. We have a couple more people. Oh! We have another Supreme keychain! I love keychains. I think they're sick. It says Supreme right here in an oval. Very dope. No more to be said. We also got a Supreme headband right here. I could be like Supreme Patty's retarded camo brother. You know what I mean? That's very, very sick. So it's got like the 3M material on here. Honestly, I think this goes for almost $100 too on StockX. Next up, we got one of these pouches. Everyone's been wearing these lately and I feel they look dumb. But it's gold and weird. You could fit a gerbil in here for sure. Or at least like your mini chihuahua dog or something like that. Supreme pouch, very sick. And last up, there's nothing else in the package. There's no way that's worth that much. I shouldn't have this in the video. Hype Loot, still love you guys. Send me that Gucci one. Oh! Never mind! I opened up the bubble wrap. What? Okay, so this is gonna be hard for you guys to believe. Here's where the rest of the package goes in. This is one of the rarest, or at least most expensive Supreme stickers of all time. This is a Kermit the Frog sticker. So these, each of them go for about $250 to $300, which is insane. It's just people collect stickers even out of Supreme, stuff like that. However, I'm gonna have to keep this, add this to my sticker collection, my Supreme sticker collection. We just got another one today, which I burnt. I forgot about that. I guess I don't have a collection anymore. Honestly, man, fuck stickers. I'm over it at this point in time. That's a lot of fire. That's a lot of fire! Oh shit! Sarah! 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 And back to our regular filming spot. Just took a second to realize what I had actually done, and usually I don't realize what I've done until I've actually done it. So there is burnt shit all over my hands, which is awesome. Let me know if you guys enjoyed mystery box videos. I'm gonna do more of them if you guys wish. We're probably gonna give away most of that from the boxes, but before we go any further, I gotta give a word from our sponsors, my boys over at Rose Gold and Black. Weird name, but cool, man. So this is my personal favorite bracelet. They sent me about 10 of them. This one I've been wearing constantly, if you see them in all the videos. Really comfy. It's got beads like this. What I find is a lot of girls love beaded bracelets. It's not too flashy and they think, wow, you must have gotten that for a purpose. You know what I mean? I just feel like whenever you wear bracelets like this, you got it on for a reason. You gotta trick girls sometimes. You know what I mean? Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, they come with insane packaging, which actually really surprised me. You got a little slip card in here. Then they come with this little leather thing. And also, if you guys click the link down below, we got a special deal for y'all. If y'all click only on that link, you get 40% off of everything on their website just because of me, which is dope. It adds to my ego and it helps you guys out. This is really crazy. So Rose Gold and Black, I appreciate this. You guys go check them out if you want to. They got pendants, bracelets, but that's it for today's video. I think I've actually lost money, which is crazy. I didn't think what I was doing when I burnt that sticker. I just thought it'd be funny. So anyway, if you guys want more of these, all you gotta do is let me know. I appreciate y'all. Y'all the greatest of all time. We murking the game, y'all the goats. New mystery box? Maybe soon, and maybe I won't burn everything this time. Awesome. Bye.